Cars are your passion. We understand maintaining their beauty is important. SONAX brings you a full complement of environmentally conscious products to help you distinguish yourself and keep your car looking its best. SONAX Gloss Shampoo Concentrate makes the chore of washing your car a pleasant one. The formula contains highly enriched anionic surfactants that are made from reusable materials, allowing the product to not only be effective, but environmentally friendly. This phosphate-free, highly concentrated car shampoo works quickly and thoroughly against road dirt and grime. The special cleansing ingredients bond to unwanted contaminants and rinse away with ease without diminishing any wax or sealants already applied. SONAX Gloss Shampoo Concentrate is safe for use on all paintwork, metal, glass, plastics, rubber, and enameled surfaces. Apply the shampoo undiluted on stubborn spots like tree sap or insect remains. A 1-liter bottle of SONAX Gloss Shampoo Concentrate makes 100 liters of washable liquid. Go to SONAXUSA.com and order SONAX Gloss Shampoo Concentrate today. SONAX, premium German car care.